So let us try to understand what is user relationship function. Let us say we have got this data model. This has got sales table and the calendar table. We can see there is an existing relationship, active relationship between these two tables on the basis of order date and cal_ date from the calendar. On the basis of this relationship, we have made this simple report which has got category and total sales. Total sales is nothing but the sum of sales amount coming from the sales table. Very straightforward measure. But most importantly, this total sales is coming on the basis of order date. Along with order date, I also want the data or the total sales on the basis of ship date. Now you may think of one solution, and that is we can make a relationship between ship date and cal_ date. Let's say we do that. And if I click on this make this relationship active checkbox, then it throws the error that there are ambiguous paths between sales and calendar. What does this mean? Because there can be only one active relationship between the two tables. So let's say if we don't do this, and if we just click on the save button, then we see that there is a relationship, but this is the dotted line. That means this is an inactive relationship between ship date and the calendar date. There can be more than one inactive relationship between the two tables, but there can be only one active relationship between the two tables. Now, in order to fulfill the requirement, we can make use of this inactive relationship. How can we do that? Very simple. We will again go to this table, create a new measure. Let us call this new measure as total sales ship date. So first of all, we'll make use of calculate function, and we know that the expression does not change. It remains same, total sales. For the filter argument, we will make use of the use relationship function that we have been talking about. Then there are two columns that we need to share the input for. So this is nothing but this inactive relationship that we created on the basis of ship date and cal_date. The first argument should be ship_date in the sales table, and the second argument is cal_date. Now we have provided both the inputs. Let's commit this. So the moment I drag this, I can see that for the different years, we are getting the different output for each category. See, this is on the basis of ship date, and this sum is on the basis of order date. Now, the most important thing that you should say in the interview is we are able to fulfill the requirement without making any changes to the data model. We have not made the changes by making one relationship active and the other relationship inactive. Like that, we have not done anything. We have just created inactive relationship and made use of this inactive relationship using the user relationship function and provide the expected result. But let's say the interviewer again asks you that why did you not make this existing relationship inactive and made this ship date wala relationship ko active kyun nahi kiya? If that is the question, then how will you answer it? In that case, you should say that if we make the changes to the existing relationship, that may impact the existing measures and the existing reports. And for that particular requirement, we can handle it using the user relationship function. Make sure that you practice this. I'll be sharing the data source.